Welcome to CentLinux. Get ready to supercharge your Kubernetes skills. Today, I'll show you how to launch a multi-node MiniKube cluster in just 2 minutes. Let's start by initializing the control plane node. With the control plane initialized, the next step is to scale your cluster by adding a worker node. Perfect! Your multi-node MiniKube cluster is now up and running. Let's verify the setup by running a kubectl command. Like what you saw? Subscribing helps us create more content like this. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments.